Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be doing today?
Fried breadfruit. All right, so this is our breadfruit tree. Now what we want to do after we have peeled our breadfruit, we want to slice it into thin pieces. So as you can see, I am slicing it up there. Now because breadfruit basically is very bland, doesn't really have much of a taste to it, we want to soak it in some salted water. So make sure and salt your water generously and then add your breadfruit slices to soak for about 10 minutes, okay? And that's to help infuse some flavor into the breadfruit. So after it is finished soaking, you now want to dry it well, because obviously we're going to be frying this in oil, and you know water and oil, it does not mix. So make sure and pat dry your breadfruit well. All right, so once that's done, you want now to heat up your pan, add some coconut oil so that you can fry your breadfruit. So basically we just put our breadfruit in, and we want to fry it on both sides and on the edges until it's nice and golden brown. Okay, now another option of doing this is also boiling the breadfruit first and then frying it. So I have done it both ways. I've done it without boiling it and simply frying it on. Most of the times I do boil it first, though, in some coconut milk, and then I will fry it. But hey, that's it right there. As simple as that, as slicing your breadfruit, putting it to fry, you can have a nice fried breadfruit snack. Of course, you still have to salt it after. I did put a little too much salt on that first one, so I had to knock it off. There you go. So that's it. Enjoy.